Most men are playing a game they don't understand, using a rule book that was written for a world that doesn't exist anymore. You've been told that if you're just nice enough, or if you buy the right car, or use the perfect pickup line, she'll fall for you. That is a lie. The secret to attracting women isn't about tricks. It's about biology and psychology. It's about understanding the silent language she's been hardwired to speak for thousands of years. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to peel back the curtain on female psychology. Not the toxic stuff you see on social media, but the deep evolutionary truth that will change how you walk, talk, and exist in the world. If you want to stop chasing and start attracting, pay attention. The last point I'm going to share is the one 99% of men get wrong. Concept number 1, the safety-strength paradox. Let's start with the foundation. Emotional safety versus masculine strength. Female psychology is deeply rooted in the need for security. Not just financial, but emotional. When you are reactive, when you get angry easily, or when you are constantly seeking her validation, you are signaling weakness. Ta woman. A man who can't control his own emotions is a man who cannot protect her from the world. Attraction isn't built by being a nice guy, it's built by being a regulated guy. When you remain the calm in the storm, you become a magnet. She needs to know that your world doesn't shake just because hers does. Concept number 2, the power of selective attention. Here is a psychological truth. Women are attracted to men who have a mission bigger than them. If she is the center of your universe, you've already lost. Why? Because psychology tells us that we value what we have to earn. If your attention is given away for free to every girl who smiles at you, that attention has zero market value. Don't be the always available guy. Don't be the instant replier. This isn't about playing games. It's about having a life. When you are genuinely focused on your purpose, your career, your fitness, your craft, you radiate an energy of abundance. That is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Concept number 3, communication, the feeling gap. Men communicate to exchange information. Women communicate to exchange emotion. That if she tells you about a problem she had at work and you immediately try to fix it, you failed the psychological test. She doesn't want a mechanic. She wants to know you understand the why behind her feelings to attract a woman on a soul level. Stop listening to the words and start listening to the subtext. Instead of saying, "Here's what you should do," try saying, "That sounds like it was incredibly frustrating for you." That simple shift shows you have the high-level social intelligence that women find irresistible. Look, you can study psychology all day, but if you don't respect yourself, she never will. Female intuition is like a lie detector. She can smell performance from a mile away. The secret isn't learning how to act like an attractive man. It's doing the work to become one. Lift the weights, read the books, heal your insecurities. When you value your own time and your own soul, the world and women will follow suit. You don't chase the butterfly. You build a garden so beautiful the butterflies want to stay. Remember that 99% mistake I mentioned? It's pedestalizing. Never put a woman on a pedestal. She wants to be your partner, not your idol. Treat her like a human being. Hold your ground and lead with integrity. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe.